Here in the rain room, and we are moving forward towards the entrance. And what is the activity going on inside, I will show you. Man stood in ward when he heard you can, 'cause it shows me that faith is more than sight. Yes to the wandering child, looking for a star to guide, pushing through the darkness of the night. Hold your hand up to your heart and know it's just. So this is the way to inside. Still we are curious about what we are going to see, the rain room. So it's a kind of new experience for all of us. So I am here in the rain. I'm not getting wet. This is amazing how I'm going forward. Raise your voice to sing along. This is not the time to watch. Grab a hand and make this day our march. So we are here for 15 minutes and we enjoyed a lot, by the way. The scene is just like amazing and artificial. It's not an artificial, by the way. You can feel the water. If you will move fast, the water will fall on you. Otherwise, the sensor will catch you and you will not get wet. This is the actual technique here. Since long time we are not experienced a rain here in Dubai, so it's a good thing to experience the rain without getting wet. So the experience for the rain was good. I got a little bit wet because I was not following the rule. Rule was need to be very slow while you are moving in the rain. So you can see a bit water on me, but still it was a very good experience. I must recommend you guys to come here. All the way, we came all the way from Dubai to here to experience this 15 minutes rain room. But I must recommend you to book a ticket online. There's an online ticket available on their website because it's a very long queue. Especially for cause of the COVID situation, there are only limited number of people that are allowed. So it's recommended to book it online. So it will save your time. So hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. See you in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye.